Dear students, in today's session, we are going to see what is force and its effects. Let us recall some of our everyday experiences now. Yes, from morning to till evening, what do? We are doing many activities. Yes, opening the door, closing the door. Yes, pulling the drawer and pushing something. Yes, moving one object to another place. Yes, yes, you are opening so many bottles and everything. Will it open or will it move or will it stop by itself? No. Only we can see in film, is it? But actually we have to apply certain amount of energy to the object, then only they can move from one place to another, or if any object is in movement, we can stop by applying certain amount of energy. Here the energy what we apply to the object is none other than force. Okay, force, there are many types. One is muscular force, another one is, yes, electrostatic force, frictional force, gravitational force, magnetic force. Force is mainly divided into two types. One is contact force and another one is non-contact force. Contact force means the applied force and the object should contact with each other. Non-contact force means no contact between the force and the object. Examples for non-contact force: magnetic force. Yes, we can take the iron object with the help of magnet, is it? But our muscular force and gravitational force, which type it is? Yes, non-contact force. Okay, dear ones, the activities what do we do daily? We are applying certain amount of energy with the help of our muscles. You and your friends are playing cricket. Yes, somebody is hitting the ball or stopping the ball or catching the ball. In all the situations, you are applying certain amount of energy. So, anything pull or push is called force. To open the drawer, you are pulling first, and closing you are pushing, is it? Even door also. For taking water from the well, you are pulling with the help of rope the bucket. Yes. To move a table from one place to another, and you are pushing. Then have you noticed that the object will move along the direction of the force what we apply, is it? Is it? Yes. Suppose you are pushing from one direction and your brother or sister is pushing the same table from another direction. What will happen to the object? Yes, the one who has more power will push the object to the one who apply less force. The same thing is tug of war, is it? So, anything pull and push is called force. The next one, let us see its effects. Force can change the state, size, shape, speed and direction of the object. These are the effects of force. Okay, first one we can see state, how it can change. For example, a ball is here. It is stationary. To move its position, I have to apply certain amount of force. So I am applying certain amount of force, so it will move, is it? It will move. Suppose if I am applying certain amount of force to the moving object, it will come to rest. So we can change the state of the object with the help of force. Next one is its size and shape can be changed. A rubber band, I am applying certain amount of force to stretch it out. I am stretching it. Now observe the size and its size and shape also getting changed. Size is changing here. After leaving, it comes to its original size. Here, a plastic bottle. I am applying certain amount of force to it. Look here, its shape is changed. Is it? So, size as well as and shape can be changed. Now, speed can be changed. For example, a car is moving with a great speed and we can reduce its speed with the help of what? Okay, we can apply, yes, accelerator. The help of accelerator. Am I right? No, with the help of brake. And also we can reduce the, yes, one more thing. Yes, gear changing. Is it? So here we are applying certain amount of force to it. Another one, we can change its direction. How? For example, a ball is moving this direction. It is moving this direction. I have to change its direction. So what I have to do? While it is moving, I have to apply force from this side. So automatically it will move the another direction. So force can change the direction also, shape, size, as well as its state. Dear ones, hope you understood what is force and what are its effects and types of forces. Yes, force is anything, pull or push. Its effects, change in state, size, shape, speed and its direction. And its types? Yes, contact and non-contact force.